Did you know that Apple Watch has a hidden Safari browser that you can't access directly? That's right, while there's no dedicated app for it, Safari is still built into the Apple Watch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Safari browser on your Apple Watch. I'm Prakhar, you're watching Wearholic. Let's dive right in without any further ado. I think Apple does not include the dedicated Safari app in their watches because it's not as good as using Safari on a phone or laptop due to the small screen size and limited input options. There are two ways to access the Safari browser on your Apple Watch. First, I'll show you how to open Safari using an external link. Since the Apple Watch supports notifications, if someone sends you a link or you send one to yourself, then you can just tap on the link and it will automatically open the built-in Safari browser. From there, you can search as you normally would, like opening Google or typing in your query. You can use the digital crown button to scroll up and down. The second method is even simpler. Just ask Siri to open a browser for you, and Siri will bring up the website you want.
Hey Siri, go to google.com.
And that's all there is to using the Safari on your Apple Watch. I hope this video helps you understand how to access the hidden browser so you won't need any third-party browsers for your internet queries. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the I button to check the Apple Watch Series 9 playlist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to Wearholic. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.